Did you think you knew what thirst was? I look at my reflection in my bottle of 10 drops of water, the bottle that is 5 days away from being filled, from being opaque, hot. Did you think you knew what heat was? I strain my eye to see a building or a tree. My only shadow is the shadow of my thoughts as my skin begins to flake. Thoughts. Did you say thoughts? What thoughts do I refer to? As I am not permitted to think. I am programmed, I'm trained not to think of my ache. Hunger. It's recession time now, so I suppose you think you know what hunger is. As I open another package of a powdered meal, that which is seasoned by my imagination, it's fake. Sleep. Many worry and choose not to sleep. I choose to sleep and cannot. For days, the screams of the dying linger in my ears, and the cries of the babies keep me awake. Clean. What is this word that you speak of? As I try to wash the blood from my hands with no water in sight. As I try to wash the images from my mind, trying to wash my every mistake. Smell. The war scent. It overpowers my garments, overpowers my nose, and overpowers my spirit. Spirit? Do I have a spirit? As I ask for God to see my tasks as a job, I ask Him to forgive my bloodletting.